When it comes to wings and war, the United States has made sure that its presence is felt globally. But with countries entering aviation programs to destroy the United States, it seems that this powerhouse is being sidelined. That's it. With such a situation in hand, the US has pushed itself into creating what would revolutionize the entire industry. Get ready as the US brings forward the X-65 and the X-47 Bravo, America's all-new unmanned vehicle and formidable drone, both of which will transform aviation into unseen heights. The Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency has brought us the ultimate aircraft that will undoubtedly revolutionize the pillars of aviation. The aircraft has given rise to novel concepts for aircraft construction and has turned out to be the base of numerous innovative implementations. The all-new unmanned aerial vehicle named X-65 will shatter all the traditional control surfaces that have both influenced and limited aerodynamics for generations. The fighter will open itself into active flow control rather than passive external moving controls and will transform aviation by adopting compressed air injectors to perform ultra-fast maneuvers. Though this project puts forward an essence of science fiction, it could kickstart a new era of reduced radar cross-section, increased maneuverability, and unmatched efficiency in flight. Through this, fighter jets will turn out to be more maneuverable, while commercial passenger airlines become more environmentally friendly. In other words, this flying beast can either start or even stop a war. The project is under development by an industrial giant that has strived to bring this coveted piece of technology to life. DARPA is a division that is known for its research of advanced technologies on behalf of the Pentagon. The very beginning of the X-65 sprouted with this tweet: "Introducing the X-65, the #X-Plane. We're developing to fly without traditional exterior moving flight controls," received its official designation. Crane aims to build an experimental uncrewed aircraft that maneuvers by controlling the airflow around it. The fact is that DARPA has a powerful enough technological base to turn an idea such as this one into reality. This experimental vehicle can fly without traditional external flight controls. Yes, the aircraft will not require flaps and rudders, which currently are some of the inevitable components of a modern aircraft. It will include modular wing configurations that enable future integration of advanced technologies for flight testing, noted DARPA in a January release. The X-65 is the initial X aircraft after the Air Force redesignated the NF-16D Variable In-Flight Simulator aircraft as the X-62A in August 2021. This has kept the fighter in a much exclusive club that has helped shape cutting-edge aeronautical research for decades, including the Bell X-1, the first airplane to ever break the sound barrier, and the hypersonic X-15. Other recent examples of aircraft from this club include the X-37 spaceplane, the hypersonic X-51 Wave Rider, and the X-61 Gremlins. The developers discovered that active flow control can improve the aircraft's performance by removing hinged surfaces that increase the weight and mechanical complexity of the structure. The technology will provide stability and control in flight, and apart from that, it will also reduce the aircraft's visibility by at least 20%. This means that the attacks can appear to come from nowhere. The aircraft not only consists of anti-radar material, but also has numerous secret technologies, with one of them being the absence of moving parts. Through this, the fighter will be able to remain invisible, but still warships with super advanced radars can turn out to be a major threat. The fact is that the fighter would be able to communicate with submarines and even command them to destroy the enemy's ship. For such operations, ultra-small submarines are best suited because sometimes bigger doesn't mean better. While submarines are always seen as machines that are simply huge, actually it is the small and ultra-small submarines that pose the real threat. These machines are both fast and maneuverable and are armed with multiple torpedoes. It was 2010 when an ultra-small North Korean submarine sank the Pohang corvette of the South Korean Navy. Even active sonar could not detect a North Korean submarine that had been hiding in the area for a day, and then it fired a deadly torpedo at an unsuspecting target, proving how dangerous these small submarines are. Small submarines can be equipped with stealth technologies that can simply flip the rules of survival in water. Still, there are situations in which the X-65 fighter cannot locate enemy ships, and in such a case, the submarine will be useless. But with the use of technology that has changed the idea of military affairs, the fighter can jump these hurdles. Yes, military space satellites that are capable of reconnaissance of the world. These space satellites do not need to fear stealth coverage, as they can see everything with the help of their powerful cameras. They are also not threatened by enemy missiles because space is somewhere these missiles can't afford to reach. They can see everything, everywhere, and though they come in a variety of sizes, sensor quality, and platforms, they excel in extracting information from unstructured data to analyze it. This data is then used to provide online information in modern combat environments, resulting in effective decisions taken by soldiers on the battlefield. Satellites can also be equipped with powerful laser weapons, and this application is being used in military powerhouses such as the United States and China. The X-47 Bravo drone, which is developed for the U.S. Navy's Unmanned Combat Air System program, is an unmanned combat aerial vehicle that is designed for aircraft carrier-based operations. This stealth drone displays advanced specifications and features, making this a war machine for military operations. What makes this drone special is its integration of artificial intelligence, which enables it to autonomously navigate complex missions without putting human lives at stake. The X-47 Bravo became the first unmanned aerial vehicle to successfully land on an aircraft carrier without a pilot in 2013, when it executed 3 successful landings on the deck of an aircraft carrier in the Atlantic Ocean. The drones had also completed a series of carrier-based tests, which included catapult launches and arrested landings. All of this made one thing clear: the drone could easily operate in the challenging environment of a carrier deck. The drone's remarkable development showcases advancements in AI, sensor integration, and autonomous flight, defying all the former rules of aviation technology. The drone comes with a length of 38 feet and a wingspan of 62 feet, making it a powerful aircraft. One of the most interesting aspects of the drone is its tailless design that resembles that of a bat. This not only provides it with a unique look, but it also plays a major role in enhancing its stealth capabilities. The drone can reach a maximum speed of Mach 0.9, which is approximately 690 miles per hour. This makes it suitable for swift operations and quick response times. It also comes with an unrefueled range of 6 hours, resulting in over 2,100 nautical miles. The X-47 Bravo is powered by a Pratt & Whitney F100 PW220U engine, which generates 14,600 pounds of thrust at cruising speed and 23,800 pounds with an afterburner. The engine enables the drone to carry a payload of up to 4,000 pounds, making it suitable for carrying weapons. The drone can provide real-time situational awareness with the help of advanced sensor integration, allowing it to gather critical intelligence and conduct surveillance missions. The drone has been using its jaw-dropping features on the battlefield and has been used numerous times. Now, it isn't surprising why the United States is supplying these drones to Ukraine during the ongoing conflict with Russia. In your opinion, how realistic is the X-65 fighter? And when do you see such an advanced piece of technology on the battlefield? Also, how much of a menace is the X-47 Bravo drone? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys soon.